Smart Dictation streamlines clinical documentation by capturing spoken notes with, or without predefined templates. Clinicians can begin dictating immediately for free-form encounters, or rely on reusable templates to keep every note consistent across specialties and care teams. Once a transcription is complete, Smart Dictation's clinical language models transform the recording into structured data that is ready for downstream workflows, summaries, clinic notes, committee, and meeting notes, etc., without manual reformatting. Creating a Smart Dictation template is effortless. Click Add Template to open a new template workspace. Think through your template before you start. Break it into clear sections and subsections, then decide how each piece should look: paragraph, bullet list, numbered list, table, or another format. Once you have that structure in mind, dictate each part so the system captures your layout exactly. When you're ready, click the microphone icon and wait for it to pulse red. This means recording is live. Speak naturally, pause whenever you need, and if you make a mistake, just say the correction. The system will take care of your commands, transcription, structuring, and calculator score generation in real time. Example voice prompt for building a cardiology clinic visit template. Help me create a template for a cardiology clinic visit. Start with a section titled Demographics that includes the patient's name, date of birth, and medical record number. Add a section titled History of Present Illness in descriptive paragraph format. Follow with a past medical history section, listing diagnoses with ICD codes, and a past surgical history section, listing prior procedures. Include a medications section, presented as bullet points. Add an investigation section, in list format. Conclude with an assessment and plan section. The assessment subsection should be paragraph format, and the plan subsection should be a numbered list outlining precise next steps. Set the title of the template as Generic Cardiology Clinic Visit, so it is captured exactly as dictated. We call out the explicit title instruction in the example above to show how to set a custom name. If you leave the title unstated, Smart Dictation will generate one automatically, and you can always dictate a specific title whenever you want precise wording. Click Edit Template if you need to refine the structure, rename sections, or adjust formatting, or add more sections before saving. Once you open the editor, the microphone activates automatically. Simply describe the sections to add, remove, or reformat, and Smart Dictation will apply those adjustments. For example, you can say, modify investigation section to include EKG, echocardiogram, cardiac catheterization, and cardiac MRI if performed, and the system will update the template accordingly. Templates can also be paired with predefined clinical calculators. When you select a template that includes calculators, they are automatically embedded in the notes so each output reflects the current score, stage, grade, or other measure defined within the calculator. You can review your templates by clicking Show Templates at the bottom of the home screen. On this screen, you can share templates with team members, delete unused templates, or review the content in detail. Clicking a template card opens a preview where you can update the calculators attached to that template.